Hi, it's me again with Corel Dollar Tips and Tricks. I think just yesterday I did this. Well, this is part two, but it's going to be totally different because we're going to contour it. So if you didn't watch part one, I went ahead and duplicated the circle all the way around because I want 6 individual parts. But before I start, I'm going to make a copy of that and move that over. And I'm not for sure if these don't leak, so I'm going to put a rectangle around them. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to nudge it over. I'm going to take that and nudge it up. I'm going to take that and nudge it over. Take that and nudge it down. Take that one and nudge it that away. And then I'll nudge this one twice because I want 6 individual pieces. So now I'm going to get rid of all that. I'm going to move this out and notice I'm nudging and not moving. I'm going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to put everything back. And if you watch part one, we had to break the lines apart and blend the two colors. And this, we're not going to have to do this, but I want to be able to do all 6 pieces differently because I don't want to have to rotate it after it's contoured. Sometimes that can really mess you up. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the center, 0.001. But I'm going to contour in a white. And I actually want an RGB white, which really doesn't probably matter, but I'm a laser engraver. And we'll go back and do 0.001 and then hit enter. And look at, well, okay, it only did one step. Let me try grabbing this again. To the center, you know, it overrides the steps. There we go. And then just do that over and over and over. And it's pretty cool. Looking at it right now, it looks like dimples. Why isn't that working? You know, that might have been the one I'd already done. So let's, you know what we could do to fix that? Take the Smart Fill tool. You know, it's not going to work. I must have done this one before I had the settings set. So hopefully that'll stop in just a second unless it leaks. There we go. I'm going to get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that out of the way. And I'm going to look at it under wireframe and see what the problem is. Yep, see it's got a contour. So I'm going to go up to Object and break the contour part and get that inside and hit delete. And then I can do this from here. And okay. Oh, I'm looking under wireframe. Go back to view and enhance. Look at the difference. Now we're going to take this one. And the reason that I took a sample of this, because I wouldn't be able to contour it now because there's nothing really there. So I'm going to do the exact same thing and just see what it looks like. And then you put that into the center. That's going to be I'm going to take that out the shop the next couple of days. It looks like dimples, you know, right here. This might be a really good contour. I'm going to save this and and if it comes out good, I'll make a video on it. But as always, if you have like an epilogue laser, engrave it in 3D mode, but I always go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap and convert it to grayscale. It just kind of seems to fuzzy it up a little bit. It makes the engraving look a lot better because you get some really sharp points in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.